Today I am going to be talking about oregano oil. So oregano oil is an amazing oil which carries a wide range of health benefits to support and aid in a healthy lifestyle. It's quite an interesting oil to research as it has been used for thousands and thousands of years and for many different treatments by the Chinese and other ancient healers. So there is a lot of history behind this oil, which is kind of cool. So there are 4 really specific benefits to oregano oil. It is antifungal, it is antibacterial, it is antiparasitic, antiviral, and it is also a powerful and potent antioxidant. So on a cautionary note, oregano is probably an oil that you should take your time getting to know and not use topically or internally without some of your own research being done on how to use it safely. It's a hot oil and it can cause harm if used incorrectly. So this is an oil that I myself am still getting the hang of. Baby steps is good. So I have used oregano oil in my cooking on many occasions. In fact, that is how I got started on my oregano journey. From there I became more confident in my knowledge and began to incorporate it into my medicine cabinet and a bit more of my daily life. So oregano oil is the oil that you want to use if you feel like you're getting sick or if you've been exposed to any kind of sickness that you do not want to catch. So the way I do that is I will grab my roller ball and I will put 1 part oregano oil into that and 3 parts of fractionated coconut oil, and this I will roll on the bottom of my feet, and that will support my body in fighting off any infections that may be happening. Also, if I feel kind of chesty, like the chesty cold coming on, I'll just put that directly on my chest, and then that will help to support respiratory function in a chest cold. So again, the ratio that I use is 1 part oregano oil to 3 parts of fractionated coconut oil, and I find that that works best with my skin. You'll probably have to do your own testing and work that one out for yourself, what your dilution rate will be, but it does need to be diluted. So I have also used oregano oil for my son's pimples. I use a blend of oregano and tea tree oil, again diluted in fractionated coconut oil, pretty much the same kind of dilution, 1 part oils to 3 parts fractionated coconut oil. Just apply that twice a day to the pimples, and that seems to keep that under control. I have also made a throat spray. A few days ago I felt like I was getting a sore throat, so to try and ward off any further infection, I googled throat spray and so I have mixed 2 drops of oregano oil, 3 drops of lemon oil and 3 drops of peppermint oil together and topped it up with water, and this I've been using for about 3 days, 2 or 3 times a day, and it seems to be holding everything at bay. It is quite a strong taste and almost blew my head off with the peppermint, but yeah, it works. So the other thing I like about that is that the lemon oil and the peppermint oil are also 2 of the oils in the Home Essentials kit, so it's kind of cool when you can find a recipe that utilises the other oils in your kit. Yeah, so that's why I like that. The other thing I have been using my oregano oil for is a disinfecting spray. I'm a bit of a germaphobe and I like to make sure that my surfaces are germ free. However, I still want to make sure that it is not killing off all the good bacteria and the helpful bacteria. So oregano oil is the oil for doing that. So I will mix probably 15 to 20 drops of oregano oil. I'll put a couple of tablespoons of the Castile soap, and then I will top that up with water. And that makes a really, really good disinfecting spray for my surfaces. If I want to disinfect like my kids' phones or the devices or anything like that, I just spray a bit of this onto like a cloth or I don't know, handy towel or whatever, and then I'll just gently wipe down whatever it is that I want to disinfect, and yeah, it seems to be pretty effective. So that's just a few ways that I use oregano oil. As I say, do your own research, take your time. I'm sure what you find out will excite and delight, because it really is a fantastic oil to have around your home.